Welcome to modern home design, where clean lines, pure geometry, and elegant simplicity reign supreme. Experience the beauty of open-plan living, creating seamless flows and bright, endlessly airy spaces. Modern style celebrates industrial materials like steel, glass, and concrete, beautifully paired with warm woods. Step into a living room designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring low-profile furniture and neutral tones. The modern bedroom is a clutter-free sanctuary. Platform beds and crisp linens ensure peaceful rest. Discover a sleek, highly functional kitchen with handleless cabinetry and seamlessly integrated appliances. Transform your bathroom into a modern spa oasis with a freestanding tub and frameless glass shower. A modern take on the sunken conversation pit creates an intimate, stylish, and unique gathering space. Embrace dramatic elegance with a dark, moody, modern bedroom featuring rich textures and warm light. Striking contrasts define this kitchen, perfectly pairing warm walnut wood with ultra-matte black finishes. Experience the seamless beauty of a modern wet room, where form and function perfectly unite. Blurring the lines between inside and out, modern living spaces embrace nature effortlessly. Monochromatic palettes in the modern bedroom create a deeply calming and unified atmosphere. Hide the clutter away with floor-to-ceiling, handleless cabinetry for a pure, clean aesthetic. Earthy, natural stones like travertine bring warmth and organic texture to modern bathroom design. Elevate your living area with bold, sculptural lighting that acts as a stunning piece of modern art. A floating bed frame with hidden lighting adds a futuristic, airy feel to your modern sanctuary. The oversized, multi-level kitchen island is the social heart of the modern home. Step into luxury with a dark, dramatic, modern bathroom featuring black marble and warm brass. Display your favorite items elegantly with a custom, geometric, built-in shelving unit. Wake up to breathtaking panoramic views in a modern bedroom wrapped entirely in seamless glass. Make a bold statement with a monolithic, waterfall edge marble island in your modern kitchen. Enhance a practical modern bathroom with warm, light oak wood and striking matte black fixtures for a clean, everyday look. Warm up sleek modern spaces by incorporating beautiful, natural walnut wood slatted walls. Conceal an elegant walk-in closet behind massive fluted glass sliding doors for a clean look. Blend raw architectural concrete with dark smoked oak for a highly sophisticated, modern kitchen. Enjoy everyday luxury with a highly practical modern bathroom featuring a floating oak vanity and a spacious glass shower. Create a cozy, functional living space with a built-in media wall, a linear fireplace, and a comfortable sectional sofa. Break the rules with striking, asymmetrical lighting fixtures for a unique modern bedroom design. Embrace the sleek, hygienic beauty of brushed stainless steel for a professional modern kitchen. Elevate your vanity area with architectural, freestanding cylindrical stone sinks for a stunning look. Transform your living room into a private gallery with stark white walls and striking abstract art. Achieve ultimate peace with a Zen-inspired modern bedroom featuring low platform beds and minimal decor. Add character and subtle color to a sleek, modern kitchen with large flake custom terrazzo surfaces. Connect your modern bathroom to a private indoor courtyard for an ultimate, nature-inspired spa retreat. Break away from rigid lines using a massive, curved boucle sofa to soften the modern living room. Use hidden LED strip lighting behind architectural panels to create a dramatic, glowing, modern bedroom. Elevate a dark, moody modern kitchen with striking, high-quality brushed brass fixtures and lighting. Create a warm, practical modern bathroom using large format neutral tiles, a floating walnut vanity, and a freestanding tub. Integrate smart technology and ultra-thin screens seamlessly into custom wood paneling for a clean look. Build a room within a room using a custom wooden canopy structure for a cozy, modern sleeping space. Use highly reflective smoked black glass surfaces to create a sleek, futuristic, and expansive modern kitchen. Create incredible spatial illusions in your modern bathroom with opposing mirrors and linear lighting. The modern home is a masterpiece of light, space, and pure architectural intent. Thanks for joining our tour of modern home ideas. Embrace simplicity and elevate your everyday living.